Hey guys, today we're going to talk about programmable memory keys. In this brand new M5, we have 7 programmable memory keys. In other models, you have up to 8, but for this model and others, they've replaced number 8 with the connected drive shortcut hotkey down below, which gives us 7 different opportunities to save various functions, such as phone numbers. You can save addresses as shortcuts. You can also save radio stations as well. So I'll go to media, and I'll save this channel here as number 7. I'll hold and press until it beeps. Perfect. And if I want to save my work address as a shortcut, I will go to my navigation button down below, go to my recent destinations. There is BMW Portland. I'll hold and press and put that on number 1. I like to save is the sport displays. I'll go to my vehicle, from there to technology in action, highlight sport displays, hold and press number 2, for example, until it beeps. So regardless of what menu you're looking at, I could be under the media portion, listening to the radio. I want to go back to work. I'll quickly press number 1. It'll start guidance.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
And away I go. From there, if I want to access sport displays, I'll quickly press number 2. And there we are.